Hello everyone, this is Gaurav again and welcome back to my blogs. This is April 2024, mid-April, and it's still snowing in Manali. So this is Koksar behind me, and
My friends in our society were invited to attend a marriage in Manali. A call from Manali that to attend a Himachali marriage is irresistible. मनाली तो जाना ही था, अब मनाली जाएंगे तो मस्ती तो होगी ही। और फिर अजय ने बोला, भाई कुछ कर, अप्रैल में मनाली में हमें स्नो भी चाहिए। So, along with 3 days of marriage, we added 3 more days in our itinerary for some more masti. Our friend from Mumbai brought his new Thar and he sent his Thar in advance by transport so he could do some off-roading along with us. So we had to plan in a way such that these 3 extra nights were filled with thrill of experiencing snow, off-roading and a bit of relaxation to charge ourselves before the wedding. On the first day, we started from Delhi at around 5:30 am and reached Manali at around 6 pm. With the new tunnels opened, the drive to Manali has been reduced by 3 to 4 hours. The new roads made the drive so pleasurable. We spent our first night in Manali at a beautiful property in Vashisht. The homestay faced the confluence of the Manasoli and Bias rivers. This home is a perfect blend of Himachali elegance with contemporary living.
If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
And every room had a sight of the snow-capped peaks.
I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times.
All the rooms are spacious and every room opens to a new view of the mountains.
Vibes, all about the good vibes.
The next day we headed to our next destination, Koksar. We faced a few traffic jams until we reached the Atal Tunnel. As we crossed the tunnel, it was a different world altogether. Everywhere it was snow. We crossed the touristy stretch and in a couple of minutes we reached Mustach, our hotel, for the next 2 days.
तुझे बर्फ चाहिए था?
यस यार,
हाँ?
बर्फ ही चाहिए था मुझको।
पक्का?
और जो तूने बर्फ दिया मुझको, उसमें मजा आ गया।
झूले सर, झूले।
We settled down quickly in our cottage and then went out to experience the snow. As predicted, it started raining and all 17 of us took refuge in a Maggie Point.
ऑडियो चाहिए पूरा।
ये पहाड़ है, ये बर्फ है और ये हम हैं।
बर्फ में मैं कड़ी चावल खाने वाली हूँ।
We all attacked the Maggie Point like hungry lions.
हमारी कड़ी चावल।
टूट पड़ो ए दुनिया वालों, कड़ी चावल हमारा है। नाक जो है फ्लो की बह जा रही है, पोछे के टाइम नहीं है, कड़ी चावल खा लो भाई पहले।
और नहीं होता है ये, इसे खड़ी कहते हैं।
बच्चों कड़ी चावल पे टेस्ट करो।
मजा आ जाएगा। अंजलि कैसी कड़ी चावल?
तब तक ये ठंडा हो जाएगा। मजा आ गया।
मजा आ गया यार, तुम भी खा के देख लो, बहुत ही अच्छा है। ऐसा पहाड़ी कड़ी चावल
खा ले बेटा।
अरे मैं जा रहा हूँ
यार, क्या खौलती कड़ी आई है इस बर्फीले ठंड में खौलती कड़ी, वाह।
जीवन का एक नया आनंद, चरम सुख।
With the fire of hunger now dosed, we decided to abandon the Maggie Point and start venturing further away from the Atal terrain. We are now on the road to Spiti, the same road where we had to stop in the Spiti Valley in January due to the first snowfall. It's just that we are on the other end of the road. After a few minutes of driving, we left the Spiti highway and started climbing towards the Rohtang Pass. Now the rain has transformed into snow, and the height of the snow left behind the road from the cleaning machines began rising. Quickly, we have to abandon our climb to Rohtang Pass as a couple of vehicles in our convoy were not 4x4 and it was getting dark also. With darkness, the chill factor increased.
Early morning, the room is lit up because the skylight is beautifully designed, but it is covered with snow. And let's see how the situation is outside. There has been fresh snowfall in the night. I could see our cars covered with snow, but not so much. The mountains in front of us, it's difficult to find out where the mountains are ending. Fresh layer of snow नीचे नदी पे. Everywhere we could see it's the white color which is predominant. For the last few hours it's been snowing and the snow on top of the road is getting thicker.
Few from our team witnessed this cold for the first time and seemed exhausted. But once they heard the day's plan, they got energized. We were to drive to the Lahore Valley to reach Shishu and Kilong. The first stop is Tandi, where the Chadra river from the Koksar merges with the Bhaga river and becomes Chandrabhaga or Chenab. Rishi Vashisht, who meditated near the hot springs of Manali, was cremated at this confluence of Tandi.
ये सारे फोटो के भूखे, फोटो के भूखे जो खाना बना रहे हैं भाई साहब, थोड़ा दूध डालना अच्छे से, अदरक भी डालना। भाई साहब कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस है आपको?
मैं 25 साल।
सुबह उठ के चाय यही बनाते हैं।
ओ, अभी तक आग ही नहीं लगी हुई थी नीचे।
नहीं बंद कर।
From there, we drove another 30 minutes to reach Shashur Gompa in Kilong. The steep climb to the Gompa was a delight for the Thars. Last 10 minutes of the drive were not even available on Google. The view from the top is worth the climb. Shashur in the local language means in the blue pines.
Founded in 1780 by Lama Deva Gyatso of Zanskar. So he stayed here till his death, but when he was cremated, his heart did not burn and was enclosed in a black image of Gyatso.
That day evening it rained continuously along with intermittent snowfall. Next day, in the rain, we packed our luggage and started for our next resort. But before that, we wanted to taste some trout fish. Many good cafes in Manali serve delicious trouts, but the best place to eat trout is from the fish farming spots. We visited this place a few years back and the taste still lingers in our memories. We were a bit shocked to see the place now.
पहले हम यहाँ बैठे थे, पूरा बह गया लास्ट सीजन में, यहीं पे फार्मिंग करते ट्राउट की.
The last monsoon has devastated the place, and now only a tiny section of the farm is left. We had a delicious lunch and started climbing the Hamta Pass, where our beautiful tents at the Glamping Club Hotel awaits us.
So we are now at Glamping Club.
Every dome has an equally beautiful view. Out of all the luxuries in the tent, I was surprised with the washroom, especially the extra warm commode seats. In the evening, we drove through our favorite Sethar village. This is my third visit to this village in last 3 years, and the first time I would see it without any snow cover. We went further to the dam and then to the Hamta Pass for some off-roading stunts.
पापा यहाँ से ले ले नहीं
फंस गई नीचे
गाड़ी रोकना नहीं है. खींच दे. Yes. खींच दे. Yes.
So next day we returned to Manali for a 3-day unique indulgence at the Himachali wedding before returning to Delhi. For more such travel stories, please don't forget to subscribe me. Bye.